I'm fit and fine.
Dear all, our head Siemens Center of Excellence and eminent Professor Bhamji sir has been joined. Sir, shall we start?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Good morning and wishing you a very happy new year to all of you present here on this special occasion at Siemens Center of Excellence, NIT Kurukshetra. I, Alok Pandey, Center Coordinator at Siemens Center of Excellence, extend my warm welcome on behalf of Team SCOE NIT Kurukshetra. On this pleasant occasion of induction program, we are very fortunate to have honorable personalities with us, like Professor Bhamji sir, Head Siemens Center of Excellence, NIT Kurukshetra, Professor Pankaj Channa sir, Dean Industry and International Relations, NIT Kurukshetra, Engineer Supreet sir, Center Head SCOE, NIT Kurukshetra, and Mr. Vishal Gill, Senior Technical Officer, NIT Kurukshetra. Today, they all are going to enrich all of us with their vast knowledge and experiences. Moreover, on this glorious day, we have joined for the induction ceremony of our internship program. Dear students, I want to say one thing. This is the first one of our new series of our internship programs exploring how technology could be effectively utilized. This program adopts a motto of transforming educational practices with technology. So this program will surely going to be a productive for the interns, because previous year we have faced several problems due to COVID, or we have faced several challenges. So due to this pandemic, we have to overcome now, and we have launched the first time this internship program at Siemens Center of Excellence, NIT Kurukshetra, to overcome all the challenges. I am going to quote one economic forum statement or a report. As per the World Economic Forum, 65% of the future workforce will work completely new job types that don't yet exist. And the three top skills will be necessary for the future professionals. The first, complex problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. I am 200% sure that after completion of this internship programs, all interns will be get above two major objectives observed by the World Economic Forum for the youth engineers. So now, without taking too much time, I request Professor Bhamji sir, Head Siemens Center of Excellence, to enlighten us, all of us, with the mission, vision, and all aspects of SCOE as well as our internship program. Sir, please. Sir, please unmute your mic.
Thank you, Alok.
Yes.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So once again, I thank you for setting the right tone and using very nice words to start with this internship induction program. My dear students and esteemed colleagues, wish you all a very good morning. Okay, sorry for interruption. We are running 3 parallel sessions. So thanks to this person who has made me available for all the 3 meetings. So
My dear students and esteemed colleagues, wish you all a very good morning. And thanks to Alok again and Sukhpreet as well as his team to setting the tone for this internship induction program. On behalf of Siemens Center of Excellence and my personal behalf, I extend a big thank to all the student participants who have responded to our call, and they have decided to undertake the 6 month, 1 semester internship program with Siemens Center of Excellence. Dear students, you are all aware that of late, the engineering education, particularly in our country, has become more towards theoretical aspects. We are doing a very good work in terms of knowledge creation, but fundamentally engineering refers to application of science and mathematics to solve the problems of the society at large. And hence, when a graduate comes out of the institute, he finds some gap when he reaches the floor of the factory. Recognizing this gap, our institute, of course, academics and administration have taken a decision that we shall incorporate 1 full semester internship. And the idea is that during their BTech 4-year program, students are given exposure to the industry as such, so that to a certain extent, they are ready to be absorbed in the industry. So that remarkable gap, we have tried to fill in to the extent possible. Having recognized again this internship and introducing in our course curriculum, now the need is that how to make the industry floor available to the students. So naturally, the first option is that students be sent to the industry as such. And the second is sometimes it may not be possible to each one of us to reach the factory floor, to have that hands-on experience. So NIT Kurukshetra has taken a very imperative initiative to set up Siemens Center of Excellence with a focus on smart manufacturing technologies. And in this Siemens Center, we have established 11 laboratories. Their details will be just shared after my this brief note, all the details. But I just want to convey that all the 11 laboratories are equipped with industry grade, state-of-the-art machines, hardware and software tools, which you will be using having joined these industries. So we have, our endeavor is that let us give to you an exposure to mini scale industry in the institute itself. And it is not mere words. We have done that part in Siemens Center. Here, unfortunately, because of COVID, we shall start this training in virtual mode, but let us hope soon the situation will improve and you will come for on-site and hands-on experience in this center. And you'll see that, yes, these labs are a mini scale replica of the industry itself. So the very much gap which we have been, which has been evident for so many years, we have tried to fill in that. This is our endeavor. This is our motto and vision of this Siemens Center. We make our students ready with industry skill set, so that with their degree, they come out with confidence. Yes, they can be directly absorbed and they can start to work on the industry floor, particularly in the area of smart manufacturing sector. From my side, I wish all the students very, very happy learning in the center. And again, I thank to all the students and all the participants today for joining us in this induction program. Thank you very much, Alok. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your informative words and motivation to all students when they all are starting a new journey for their career. Now, yes. Now, next, we are honored to have Professor Pankaj Channa, sir, Dean, Industry and International Relations, with us. I request you to share your knowledge and guidance with us.
Thank you, Alok. Very good morning to all of you. And am I audible actually clearly?
Yes, sir.
So, my esteemed colleagues at the center, SUV, and departmental heads, internship coordinators, we are a galaxy of you invited for today's induction program. I'm very happy to be a part of this induction program. First of all, I would like to give a report and congratulations to all the students for the probably this is the
Excuse me, sir, you are not audible.
Am I audible to all the three links now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And so director sir wanted to join this induction program. Like in the morning, he called me and conveyed the wishes and the blessings to all the students or interns of this 6 semester training program at the Siemens Center of Excellence. So he has he hoped that this program, the experience at the Siemens Center of Excellence by all the students will be very enriching. And of course, he'll be interacting with the students like maybe in the mid of this internship program anytime whenever he deems fit. So most of the things have been told by Professor Brahmji ji, and very experienced professor, and he has already touched upon some of the few things why this the 1 semester internship program has been introduced in the UG curriculum, and why this Siemens Center of Excellence has been established, what is the vision and objective of this, and how your experience is going to be helpful. But I would like to add like few more dimension to the same thread where the Professor Brahmji ji has left. Before that, I would like to also congratulate, I would like to use this platform to congratulate all the internship coordinators and head of the departments that on record we have exceeding